Hi, I'm Stacey Kalatosti, Director of Nursing at Coordinated Health, and I'd like to welcome you to our award-winning hospitals. Located just minutes off the Lehigh Valley exit of the Pennsylvania Turnpike, or a short distance from Route 33, Coordinated Health hospitals are an easy drive from the Poconos and Northeastern PA. So why should you choose a Coordinated Health hospital? We've earned numerous patient satisfaction awards, including a 5-star Patient Experience Award in 2019. We're also ranked in the top 10% in the nation for both hip and knee replacement surgery. In addition to delivering the very best medical care, we pride ourselves on providing patients with comfortable accommodations and a restful atmosphere. All of our patient rooms are spacious and private. Each room is equipped with a recliner, flat screen TV, and Wi-Fi. All of our accommodations are also family friendly. An area is provided so your loved ones can stay in the room with you comfortably. You will have a whole new take on hospital food after your stay in a Coordinated Health hospital. We have a gourmet chef on site to prepare meals at your request. And we don't waste any time getting you up and moving after surgery either. One of our highly trained physical therapists will visit you on the day of your surgery to start the recovery process. We work hard to make sure every patient that comes through the door has 5-star care from start to finish. Experience it for yourself. Learn more at coordinatedhealth.com.